ATL Tejas. Tejas isn't just an aircraft. It's the linchpin destined to become the very backbone of the IAF for decades to come. It's not only the present, but also the visionary architect of our aerial dominion. In one resounding word, Tejas is a game changer for the IAF. Here's why. Firstly, its price tag. Tejas, an advanced 4 to 4.5 generation multi-role aircraft, defies the norms of cost, standing substantially more affordable than its foreign counterparts. The Tejas Mark I emerges at a mere $30 million, while the more advanced Mark 1A, equipped with cutting-edge ISA radar and myriad improvements, stands at an estimated $42 million flyaway, 30 to 50% cheaper than similarly equipped foreign aircraft. Consider the cost of ownership. Importing hundreds of foreign fighters not only burdens the immediate budget, but imposes an enduring weight in terms of life cycle cost. The reliance on the original equipment manufacturers for subsystems incurs higher long-term expenses, subjecting the IAF to potential price hikes or even supply refusals in dire times. Safety becomes paramount. Tejas boasts an impeccable record, witnessing no crashes or major mishaps since its inception. Despite undertaking thousands of sorties and active service hours, its high availability stands as a testament. Exceptional serviceability and minimal turnaround time ensure a fleet ever ready for immediate action, maintaining operational readiness at all times. The promise of modernization, its indigenous origin grants us the knowledge and autonomy to continuously enhance the aircraft's capabilities, integrating weapons and systems seamlessly without external dependencies or additional costs. The ease of replacing losses, essential in any conflict scenario. Tejas facilitates a quicker replacement of lost aircraft, acknowledging the inevitability of losses during warfare. Reduced reliance. Tejas' increasing indigenous content significantly diminishes dependence on external suppliers, securing critical systems and components within the nation's grasp, ensuring operational autonomy. Yet, beyond its tactical prowess lies a grander legacy. Tejas has catalyzed an entire aviation ecosystem, paving the way for an indigenous aviation industry. ATL's leadership integrates the final aircraft, while components sourced from public and private firms foster a thriving industry, generating thousands of jobs and laying the foundation for future aerospace endeavors. In the skies, Tejas isn't just a fighter. It's a testament to India's soaring ambition, resilience, and a beacon illuminating a path towards self-reliance and aviation excellence. It's not just changing the game for the IAF, it's reshaping the very destiny of Indian aviation.